History. Founded on a commitment to craftsmanship and value, Silverton has carved its legacy in the marine industry in less than 40 years. Established in the 1980s, the company swiftly transcended its early image as a manufacturer of budget boats, evolving into the acknowledged value leader in its class. Through a dedication to listening to owners' preferences and continuous investment in construction technology, design and manufacturing, Silverton became a premier mid-sized bridge boat builder. Best inventions. Silverton's ascent to prominence is marked by a commitment to innovation. The company invested in new construction technology, sophisticated design and manufacturing equipment, embracing a philosophy that product excellence is achievable through progressive management and collaboration. The result is a fleet of yachts that boast unsurpassed performance, comfort, and value. Silverton's best inventions lie not just in physical innovations, but in a mindset that embraces evolution, excellence, and leadership. Recent developments. In recent years, Silverton has continued its commitment to excellence, embracing change and evolution. The company recognizes that successful product lines adapt to changes in technology, boating habits, and owners' wishes. The dedication to evolving, excelling, and leading remains ingrained in Silverton's ethos. Recent developments reflect the company's agility in responding to the dynamic needs of boaters, ensuring that each vessel continues to meet and exceed expectations. Current status. As of today, Silverton stands as a stalwart in the marine industry, known for its unwavering commitment to craftsmanship, value, and continuous improvement. The company's status as the acknowledged value leader in its class underscores its enduring success.